Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Claude with Perplexity AI. Alright, so let's begin. So in order to connect Claude with Perplexity AI, you have to follow these steps. First, open Claude in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you are on the main page, click the plus button on the left side to start a new chat. Next, open Perplexity AI in another tab and gather the information or research that you want to analyze. Once you have the results, copy the relevant text or findings. After that, return to Claude and paste the information into the message box. Below the pasted content, add clear instructions explaining what you want Claude to do with the information. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize the content, provide insights, create a report, compare findings, or expand on specific topics. You can use a prompt similar to this. Here is the information gathered from Perplexity AI, then paste your content. Then say, please summarize the key points and provide additional insights on the topic. Once your prompt is ready, click submit or press enter. Claude will analyze the information you provided and generate a response based on your instructions. If you need more detail, continue the conversation in the same chat. You can ask follow-up questions, request deeper analysis, focus on a specific industry or topic, or ask Claude to transform the information into a different format such as notes, reports, or action plans. And that's it. This is how you can connect Claude with Perplexity AI. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.